So we got a 18 Dodge Ram, give me 5.7. Doing a amplifier install, a little bass upgrade to this beast here. We got the factory battery, I believe it's an AGM. Didn't exactly look 100% yet. I would pull it off, but I just don't feel like it right now. I know there's a little tab right here but anyway. Adding a little bass to it. We're doing a 4-channel as well to power up the mids and highs. Right here, factory grommet. This is 1/aught welding cable. I got it looped around, and I just got it, of course, wrapped in Tech Flex and just sitting off to the side. I went with Timco. I will be doing a video on welding wire comparison, but the reason I did is because of this right here. Literally, like, I can scratch this stuff like madness, and the jacket is pretty durable compared to other welding cable. I'm gonna just loop this over here like so. Keep this stuff out the way for now, because I'm gonna wind up closing the hood. Like I said, I'm done for the day. All my panels are off. I will probably show a video on pulling door panels because the man wants to tweet us here. I wanted to build a pod right here, but hey, it'll look good here too. So, and all you saying, you destroying the door pods? No, we want more, we can buy more. That's the name of the game. Up in here, got my remote wire ran for the bass knob for the punch EQ. Well, the punch bass knob, I should say. Underneath is all of the goodness. I did not install that alarm. Keep going back here. All the wires ran the tuck. This panel pulls off. This panel pulls up. Just like that. All right. If you want to get the seats out, 1-2 bolts, 1-2. It lifts up and out. Back here, I got my cable ran, EQ, baseline, whatever you want to call it, remote wire. Over here, Scotch brand RCA cables, bass amp, 4-channel left, 4-channel right. I like Scotch because they're, I guess you could say, a mainstream over-the-counter brand, and they're 100% OFC, and it's copper. I say that's winning. Shout out to the main man, SMD. Definitely a friend of mine in this bass world. That's the truth, y'all. I got a little video on that I'm posting on Instagram. I will share with y'all. 1/aught lugs, some install bay crap. Fusing is better than, that fusing is better than no fusing. Bunch of stuff laying around over here. Fosgate P1s. A cap. We knew that cap wasn't no good. It actually came with a kit. We just got it for show. Just looking. It's just looking. That's the box for the old X12s. The X12s are in the 4th order. I'll show videos of that as well. That is pretty much it. So I'm wrapping up this project for the day. Tomorrow will be wiring up the radio to all of the goodness. That's a Pioneer NEX 4200. Well, it's actually a 4201 kit. The only difference is the 4201 comes with the backup camera. And highly suggest, if you do install an aftermarket radio, you're going to have to get a bypass kit. I went with the iData Link Maestro, which is right here. And the CH3, I believe it was. But there's something with that. I'm going to have to post in the description of this video. Backup camera, there's something you have to do for the backup. Oh yeah, don't plug in the backup camera for the radio. There's a slot in the back of the radio for the backup camera. I think, if I'm not mistaken, don't plug it in. If you're having issues with, your backup camera working, try disconnecting the backup camera from the radio, like the actual plug for the back of the radio. And I think it feeds through with CAN bus, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not 100% sure, but guys, just play with it. You'll definitely figure it out. So, to be continued.